Hello everyone, good morning. How's everyone doing? Why is it laggy? Okay guys, so let's do a quick analysis here. What we can news-wise, we got no news to worry about. It's a late news. I don't even know if that moves the market, but it's not something we need to worry about. Yeah, just PPI tomorrow then. So nothing for us on news side. On the analysis now, on gold, we are a bit bullish at the moment, trying to make hopefully a top wick of the daily. If you look at a daily time frame, which is hopefully a top wick for us to start coming down. We did close bearish last night, and we closed decent bearish. We closed below these ranges here that I wanted. So this is good. So hopefully we can flip on the daily with NYC open or something, and can start pushing down now. But we're still pushing up at the moment. So 4 hour has no bottom wick, and the previous 3-4 hours have done nothing here, ranged. So with 40 minutes left with this candle, there is still a chance for this 4 hour to still come down. And if it closes bearish below these ranges, oof, we are good to go down. So this 4 hour manages to flip, closes bearish below these ranges, next 4 hours should be coming down heavily, because it has some liquidity grabbed here for us to push down. Okay, so we should be able to target these wicks here, and then some. One sec guys. Right. Yeah, so if this 4 hour flips, it would be nice for us to keep coming down. So where do we see the flip happen though? Will we able to flip? We'll see. We'll come down to a lower time frame and we'll see. But we want a closure below for sells, for buys. We're gonna have to go on lower time frame to see what kind of support we got at these wicks. So buys will be probably above closures somewhere here, but we have to go down, and we'll see if we can find one. I'll prefer we can get sells with the way the 4 hours looking. If it does manage to flip, it should show volume sells hopefully for the next 4 hours, which will be with the NYC coming in as well to help it. Right, and yeah, let me go to 1 hour time frame and let's see if there's something that can be grabbed here. On the 1 hour time frame, I will need to see closure above this maybe. Maybe somewhere here. Probably this one above all these wicks. Yeah. So again, this 1 hour show us it's like in the middle of the range, which makes it hard for us to get any trade at the moment, considering we can go up and down. It's like in the middle. We want closure above for buys and closure below for sells maybe. But with the hour, once the hour closes, we can come back to it because there's another level here on the 1 hour that we can try and target, which we'll probably target for now. So yeah, let's wait. Get a trade on this 30 with the well, there is no news, so we don't have to worry about the 30. Okay, there's another level here on the 1 hour. So you want 4 hours to close below 57, but 1 hour to close 53. Won't be too bad for us to come down, but we'll see. Once we close, we'll see. Let's go down to 30 and let's see what we can get on this 30 closure. So with the 30 closure coming up, you want to close above 65. Because you're bearish, I will probably not take any buys based on this 30. We'll wait for a closure anyway here, and then we can see if you may actually close, because we may come down even on this 30. Yeah, I mean, if you go under 5 minutes, being weird. You can see how we consolidated harder here. We broke out a bit, but then I don't know what's trying to do here. It's trying to reject and just yeah. Well, no, 1 minute, it's just trying to barcode. Yeah, 1 minute barcode. Alright. So yeah, we wait for the 30 to close above for any potential buys. But till then, if it's inside the range, we don't do anything. So this for today, we have no trade range until we tap our 4 hour highs or lows level, which will probably not be possible in 37 minutes. I mean, it can happen. For 4 hours, we want a tap on this bottom wick to take any buys up in this range, or a break of
शहरियार
हाँ
मैं नमाज पढ़ के आ रहा हूँ
ओके रिकॉर्डिंग करोगे anyway yeah, so we want to tap in this 4 hour highs, making it tough for us to take any sales inside this zone. So in anything inside this blue box have to happen once we actually fake out basically. So we have to break out and tap the levels to come back down. So the levels will be here at the moment. Let me try this one. At least this one, well, probably that one. We'll see if it happens. Do we know if it's gonna happen at the moment? 1 minute be barcoding heavily right now. Looks like trying to go bullish at the moment. Yeah, chat, so just waiting here. We wait. Hmm. 1.5 minutes left to 30. No closure above still. So this is gonna be a doji closure, which means we wait for the 1 hour to close above, which is what we want to really. Let's see. Is this 15 is bearish at the moment. Will the 30 close strong bearish or just bullish or is it back up at some point? let's see. Oh yeah, no trades today, guys. Which means the wrong. No, they did the records here. I'll update the records in a second. I'll come back to it. Okay, so 30 close doji, bearish doji, and we're making bottom wick first. But 15 is bearish, so if it's a top fake, it can still come down. I mean, it can come down with that one. But 4 hour, not no long for 4 hour to go. If this 4 hour can flip 50 pips, it will be nice sells coming down with the daily bias. We have a bottom wick on 4. Yeah, it's a small one. And in chat, we're just waiting now. We'll wait for the 1 hour closure, which will be 4 hour closure, and then we should have a trade today. On stream, we already have a trade running in Telegram. You can join the free Telegram. Link is in the description and in the chat. The trade is already running in Telegram. You can check that out. Let's see. Let's see if we get another trade today. 4 hour move already. 50 pips now. Last 24 minutes. This 30, can this 30 rip down? Rip down, give us the flip on the floor. Okay, we're moving now. So is this gonna be the 1 hour rejection? We need to see break of 2161 and then we should be able to push down further. Candle is struggling at the moment. If we come down to the 5, it's entered this range, so it's gonna take some time to try and figure it out. Once it does, once it manages to break out of these at the bottom, we should be able to go. Otherwise it might get trapped in here for a bit, which will just take more time for this 1 hour to push. But 4 hour, only 20 minutes left for it to flip. It may not flip in this 4, but we'll see with the wherever the 4 hour closes. We'll see if there's a potential trade. I can show you guys the trade we had on Telegram, by the way. Here we go. It's running in profits. You can actually see on the bottom of your screen on YouTube. It was a trade taken 18 pips down so far. So 5 this close inside the range is struggle. So is this gonna be 1 hour closing doji or week for us to still keep going up on the next 1 hour? Until we actually break partials the lows of the 1 hour, we won't be able to move down really. It has to break the lows, and then it has to break on this candle. If it does on the next candle, then it won't be the same anymore. Kind of pushing up, so there's a chance we close doji. That's this 15 flip.
क्या हुआ? गोल्ड गिर गया? सॉरी आवाज नहीं आया, थोड़ा तेज बोलेंगे?
कह रहा हूँ रेंज कर रहा है।
म्यूट कर दो जरा अपना कोई आपसे आप मुझसे बात कर। तो अभी तक ब्रेक वो पार्शल थिंग है ना।
just let
अभी
go.
550 अभी वर्स्ट में भी नहीं कर सकता नाइस तो मेरा
Okay,
नेट बंद हो गया
1 hour closure. So is this 15 gonna wick fill and come back up, or is it just gonna do whatever it wants to do there? Bullish for a second there. Where did we head out? 20 पे ना कंफर्म कर लेना चाहिए तो
सॉरी
क्या 25 पे ना ले लेना चाहिए पर चलो
हाँ तो निकलवा देते मैं था थोड़ी
तो भाई
आपको ठीक लगता है कर दो खुद कर लो मैंने तो ट्रेड थी भाई जस्ट स्टॉप लॉस रहेगा आप
वो तो लाइव ट्रेड नहीं थी मैंने लाइव पे दिखा दिया था बस क्या है लेकिन मैं एंटर नहीं कराया था लाइव
देख लो आप मोड आप क्या हुआ
नहीं just waiting slow day today so far just wanna wait just 1 hour still wanting to stay bullish at the moment just came down made bottom wicks now broke close on the 30 or do you want we broke close these lows 115 but we want to break these lows but we wait potential trade on this 4 hour closure we should have something don't need these steps anymore and for sales I think for sales you need a bit of structure to be formed but oh clear sales are below these and these will likely be buys once you get some wicks at the bottom being created 8 minutes to go. Gold is playing games on this 1 hour. Not really moving much. 15 did manage to flip. I believe he made a new bottom wick. So new low. Will this be the push for it? Down. But 7 minutes left on the 4 hour. It's unlikely we flip on the 4 and 7 minutes. This has to run 50 pips down, so also looking bullish. Also staying bullish. We will probably see for protection price.
क्या प्रेडिक्शन है, क्या होने वाला मार्केट में?
Market displaying consolidation.
वो तो दिख रहा है क्योंकि उसको पता चल गया शायद उस ट्रेड में तो 16 ऑफ खेलने से तो.
This is the start of this. This is the starting of it. So we'll probably have some closures there, then go back up, down, down.
वायर कुछ मेरा इरादा नहीं था, ऑब्वियसली मोमेंटम बहुत बिगाड़ वो था, खराब था, मेरा नहीं था सर इसका इरादा. मैं कुछ नहीं है, मैं सपोर्ट था, बस एक पिक्चर आई मेरे सामने बन गई, मैंने उस पिक्चर को फॉलो किया. पता नहीं 15 मिनट को बोलूँ अगर एक पिक्चर आई मेरे सामने, समथिंग लाइक दिस. एक पिक्चर आई, पता नहीं मेरा खोला हुआ है नहीं. जैसे सम काइंड ऑफ पिक्चर, एक पैटर्न की एक कैंडल ये जब एक पैटर्न होता है डिसेंडिंग का, यही पैटर्न बना और मैंने ऊपर देखे बहुत बड़ा सप्लाई पड़ा हुआ है कि 1 आवर की विक नहीं है, टॉप विक नहीं है, मे भी उसको बना के फिर नीचे, और ये बहुत बड़ी ऑर्डर ब्लॉक भी है जिसके बाद एक फेयर वैल्यू गैप बना हुआ है. दिस वाज द रीजन कि बस मैंने ये ट्रेंड, ये वो होता है सिग्नल का, पता नहीं, आई बिलीव डिसेंडिंग चैनल समथिंग, इसको कुछ कहते हैं, मुझे इतना नाम याद नहीं. एक पैटर्न होता है, फ्लैग होता है, आई थिंक इनवर्स फ्लैग, तो मैंने उसकी बेसिस पे ट्रेड ली थी और कोई कॉन्फिडेंस नहीं था. एक्चुअली ट्रेड आउट अगर देखा जाए तो 20 पिप के पार्शियल बहुत होता है, बट मैंने पता नहीं पार्शियल क्या सोच के लगा था, आई बिलीव टॉप विक तक आनी चाहिए कम से कम, और आई भी है मेरा एक दफा, लेकिन वो
It's okay.
देखते हैं सर. Everything goes better, man. Market flip, then hopefully we get around 180 pips today. Hopefully.
5 close, strong bearish closure. This is the drive. Alright, let's see. 3 minutes to go. Okay, boys and girls, guys, chat, 4 hours is closing up. Now, we wait for how it opens. We are still in range, so no possible trade here. So we wait for how the 4 hour opens up and what area taps first. So we may have a buy and sell depending on what it closes on. But yeah, 5 minutes is ranging heavy today. This is what we got, and this is now starting of the new range. It broke out a bit, now it's now trying to make a new range. It's deciding if it goes to up or down. But we should be able to move today. With the NYC coming up, we should be able to move a little bit at least. Maybe it won't move heavily like yesterday, maybe because of CPI we move. But we should be able to move decently. It just broke the lows. The 5. So we made a top small, very small top and started pushing down. Actually, the plan is for any potential buys, I need a wick tapping in the zone of this new 4 hour, which is this one. So it needs to make a bottom wick down here. Then we can probably get a buy stop going back up and wick fill, but it might wick fill now, we don't know. But that'll be the buy scenario. For the sell scenario, we'll be looking for some kind of wick around here. Why is it not working? In this zone, it's a bigger zone. Yes, somewhere around this zone. So, buys down there, sells down here. Right. So I tap in this zone, we're gonna buy stuff going up. I tap in this zone, we're gonna have sells going down to align with the 4 hour highs. Also, I think it's daily. Yes, this daily gonna break its highs, and we should be able to come down again. It's a plan on the flip. But this 4 hour has to move for any of those to happen. I believe it's like good few pips between them. Yeah, about 30-40 pips between them. So we will see. For now, we just have to wait. And once we get our taps, we should be able to move from there. So we may have to wait for the 30 to close. Once the 30 closes, NYC comes up. It may bring in volume to push us. 30 is failing to break highs and lows. Still deciding what it wants to do. Yeah, but there's more waiting, guys. Probably have to wait for another 30 minutes to close. हाँ जी साहस भाई कुछ बातें शाते करे
सर अभी तो वहाँ दिल दर्द हो रहा मतलब
है धक क्यों हो रहा भाई चिल मॉर्निंग कैसा जा रहा आपका रोजा
अभी तो सही आ रहा था लेकिन अभी देख रहा है दुआ है 6:30 तक जाना उसका होगा कुछ अच्छा हो जाए
टेंशन आ ले चिल है मोर स्टॉप्स
आधे घंटे आधा भी नहीं 25 मिनट है मेरे पास बस 25 मिनट में कुछ हो जाए
तो क्यू पे भी लिया
ये फिर गाना रिवर्स हो जाए फिर धड़ाम से गिर है प्रैक्टिकली भी देखा जाए ना तो आई एम डूइंग अगेंस्ट द बहुत सी चीजों का अगेंस्ट जाके
ना ऐसा गुलेरिया
सबका अपना तरीका होता है दैट्स माय ट्रेड मैं अभी भी इस पे टिका हूं आई डोंट नो मैंने ग्लिच किया गलत कर लिया हमने
नहीं सही सेटअप
अपने सेटअप तो नहीं यकीन है तभी उसका पकड़ उठाया कल नहीं उठाया कल नहीं उठाया कोई बात नहीं आज देखता हूँ आज उठाया तो तब
धक धक क्यों हो रही है नहीं हो
ये मेरे साली का यहाँ पे
अच्छा अभी उठाइए
Come on, man, wanna flip, man, wanna shoot flip. Interpol
That's
this
right.
person. जो भी आएगा. The way it is reacting now, मेरा दिल बहुत खराब. Reasons ये भी है नमाज के वक्त पर.
I suggest B पे निकल जाओ अगर लॉस खाने के रेडी नहीं हो.
I was thinking before रोजा अफ्तारी से पहले सोचना 6:20 पे सोचना करना है. Till then I am in the trade. I think तब तक हो जाना चाहिए कुछ नहीं. I will just go break even. With the cautious, which goes up. Let's see, I still have time, I believe. Finger crossed.
Yeah, Chad is just waiting around at this point. It's just designing this 4 hour what it wants to do first. It's really trying to break lows, but it's just struggling in this zone. Amount of consolidation on the 15, just trying to break out. Yeah, our trade is pending on what level gets tapped first. Once we tap, we should be able to move a bit, and then we should be okay to move in that direction. But I'll be here for another hour at least. We'll give it closure to 1 hour. If it still closes inside this range, well, we'll see. But we may have to call an early one today. But we will see.
Sorry.
Alright guys, partial hit on this trade finally. Took this long time. Alright, WW trade, Telegram trade guys, this was. We got activated before I came on stream. And we moved a bit. Just a bit, but we moved. NYC, 10 minutes to go. Can NYSE just rip? Wouldn't mind this coming down. This going through our second partial. But let's update the records. I don't think I've updated records. Stream record is correct, I think. No, it's not. 5 wins, 4 losses. Yeah, 56% now. Lifetime is 13.19. And we're up 59.09. Yes, finally able to move a bit. Okay, trading March. This is the only trade we got today. और डीजे की ट्रेड कैंसिल हो गई है.
निकल गया.
Yeah, we hit the TP on our GJ trade we gave in Telegram, but we now got activated on it, so we have to cancel the order. It's a good trade. Okay, so it took a gold and we secured 32 pips partials. Put this one now. We can get the record in. 42nd one actually. 3990. Okay, the record is updated. We did not take the straight on stream, so we don't update. Trades taken today. Yeah, follow Telegram guys, look. We're on a winning streak on Telegram. 6 wins up. I mean, if you never took this Euro USD, it would have been okay. With 8 wins in a row. We had 2 runners actually, 3 runners. 70 pip runner of GJ and 107 pips on the go. It was full TP. You could have extended the TP, it would have been a 200 pip move or something. But we kept on the full TP and got out of the market. And we had a goal yesterday as well. 50 pip runner. Let's see if we get a runner today from our first partial. We can hit our second partial, which will give us another almost 90 pips. When we come back, we'll update that later. And they're coming back in range. 8 minutes left to 30 closure, and it's not looking good, honestly. I am not liking this price action. Looks like there's a chance it will be here. Oh yeah, it should be break even. Guys, with 5 minutes left, and we just pull right back. Lots of X, just making it up and down. Still undecided where he wants to go. But let's see. Some kind of breakout will likely make it move decently. I don't know if we get the breakout now. Yes, as I already told you guys, it's making range on the 5. Just like we were making here, we're making here. This was a fake out. This was a fake out for price to come right back in range. And establish that we were making range right here. Yeah, we were making this range. I was like, okay, we might probably range for a bit. This was a fake out and then continue this range. So we probably see a tap in this zone and then another tap down here at some point. How many pips is that range? 15 to 20 pips. That's something we want. Just wait for 30 to do something here. Telegram guys, quick look to it. I did. So he gave this trade early in London session, then we'll go activate it just before pre-London or pre-New York. Just in pre-New York. just before New York Open, we were in this trade and at 20 pips. With the way market was moving, I just gave an update that you can go risk free now. And then as soon as I gave the update, literally 2 minutes later, we go out of purchase hit. Because I was afraid rearranging, it will come back up. You can always come out of, and we have come up. Did we go BE? Yep. Okay, so this is trade finished now. We got hit break even. So we can officially go back and make this 32 pips. Don't forget to drop a reaction as well. Ooh, yes. Nobody reacting to these. Fire. Where else we go? 9.
चलो शाह मैं रोजा खोल के आ रहा हूँ.
ओके सर. तो मैं टाइम लग जाएगा, हम probably खत्म हो जाएगी स्विंग तक.
ठीक है. बट मैं छोड़ के आ रहा हूँ, तुम अगर लाइव बैठे हुए.
हाँ सर. Alright, what we got? 30 flipping bullish. Is it gonna close? NYSE coming up in 1 second. And here's NYSE. Going to 5. We are still respecting this resistance here, which is okay. If you want to go up, it's okay because that will be the bottom wick anyway. How much range you got? You can close above still, but is this 4 hour ripping up over? Only 16 pips for it to wick fail. We have some bottom wick. Let's see. Yeah, we're still gonna wait for buy above, which we may come down to the 5 or 15. Also on the 5 will adjust it for the 5 resistance. Yeah, we may have to wait for 5 closure. Volatile. Candle is volatile. 4 hour wick fill is done. So I was looking for buys here, but I wanted you to get a tap in this range for bottom wick. Somewhere in this zone, but it never tapped. But what is a 1 minute doing? It's the strongest 1 minute he had so far. 20 pip on this 1 minute. Went up and down, everything. Well, down and up. Okay, no 5 closure above yet. So we can wait for 5 to close above our line. And we can probably trade a breakout. At this point, there's a chance we push up. So yeah, 2 minutes to go. There's a good chance we can get a buy here. Because 4 hour, this might just be the bottom for 4 hours to start going back up. And range target will be this. Still working. Wow, what is 5 minute doing? What is doing? This volumes, volatile. If you look at your broker, this is not updating in real time. It's like a few seconds. It freezes for a few seconds, right? It doesn't update every second. But if you look at your broker, it's crazy. Price is moving everywhere. Oh, did we break 15 lows? No. Yeah, 1 minute. Damn. This was the first 1 minute of the NYC. The next 1 minute broke highs and the lows. And closed doji. So doji means it should be pretty bullish to try and wake fill up. But I can't come now. But we're moving heavily. This is what we want. This is what we wanted. Some move, some volume, some momentum in the market. Will we get it? Will we get a trade here? We'll see. 1 minute left for the 5. So you got a bottom wick where we wanted to grab a buy space of this move, but it already did the move, right? Like, I don't even know if you made a top first or bottom first. It just did, and it's too quick for us to take any trade based off that. Alright, 5 minutes coming to an end. Okay, chat, 5 minutes closing up. It is closing above. New one open, no bottom wick. Alright, let's have buys here. You can enter buys. Buy stops above this. Let me see on the 15. So yeah, buy stuff, guys. Have not entered here. We will adjust stop loss in a bit, and partials will be sitting here maybe. This may move quickly. Let me see how many pips is that. Yeah, about 20 pips. So we got resistance here. This will be our partials, guys. Alright, let's see if we move. We broke highs. We got activated here. Stop loss are below the previous one at the moment, but we'll adjust on the current 5 once this 5 pushes up or closes. But we better just do current 5, just not quite yet. We need a strong 5 closure for that to happen. But we are in, guys, here on this trade, and should be quick closure here. Just be ready. Okay, we're trying. Alright, we're gonna go stops below the previous 5 now. If this 5 flips, we don't really want to be in it. So decent stops, 8 pips. I got entered at 67.09. So needs to be adjusted. There we go. Alright, let's see. We can get a move. Once we break highs, we should be able to move heavily here, okay? So just be ready for that. Okay, we got it. Alright, you can go risk free now. Break even now, guys. It's a quick trade. We wanna be secured here. I have no close anything so far. Alright, I've secured partial here, guys, now. Yep. Secure partials just because we may not manage to rip, but we got 10 pips there. And W. There we go. There we got the push we wanted. It took us time. By the way, it's open TP. I don't really have a TP, but you should figure out some TP zones here. I will say, yeah, second partials now. Alright, guys, second partials coming up. Yep, there you go. On the top of the range, I've secured the second partials. Alright, W trade. Beautiful trade, guys. And we're still ripping. Alright. Open TP, remember. I've open TP here. Alright, let me figure out a TP. Aiming for this now. So daily is likely gonna stay bullish now. Are we aiming for daily highs? Yeah. So we keep TP there for now. We will adjust accordingly, but you should be break even. You should have secured second partials. And for third partials, probably no third partials now. I did not expect the price to move this heavily, but we got it. So it's a bummer. We took our first partial a bit too early, but it was necessary. Price could have rejected there. A W trade, W trade. Is this right? Yeah. So we took a New York trade. Enter off 36 pass. Wow, we got the same trade yesterday at the same time. That's crazy. But it's a different trade. This one was a breakout on the 5. And we just enter off the break of current high low actually. It was previous high low as well, but it was current high low for us. And we secure 10 pips. First partial. Is it 10 pips? Yeah, about 10 pips, and the next partial we are at 30 pips. So 30 pips in so far. We'll adjust this in a second. Yeah, gold 5 plus 10 R plus 30, and we're running. This is the volume. This is the volume I'm saying. Yeah, let me put a slash here. Make it easier to identify. All right. So personally, I'll tell you guys what happened here on the trade. Let me go on the 5. So we closed above this range on the buy above line we had. I was like, okay, this is fine, and we closed. We did close right at this one, but this is a fake out with no wicks, so I wasn't too worried about this. And this was the main one I was thinking. I was like, okay, these areas are good, and we basically saw a wick right up here, which is why I wanted partials in this zone, right? But I think we may have closed a bit early on the past. No, it's about we closed above this, but yeah, partial closes was fine here. The point was that because we were resisting on this 5, if you go in a 1 minute, you'll probably see. Okay, it doesn't really show, but we were basically what we wanted to do was see this 5 close above quickly, right? But it's usually when the volume is there, it will do it quickly, which is why we closed a bit early than when I intended. I was intending to hold it 2170 or wherever the partials were, but which never. The partials were basically, yeah, we closed a bit earlier than where we wanted to close the partial, somewhere here maybe. It was still only 13-14 pips away though, yeah, so it doesn't really matter. We still closed good 10 pips. But the idea was that it could have rejected, which so far we are. We could have rejected right here, or we could have rejected there, or we could have rejected up there. We weren't sure, and because price was hovering there for a second, I was like, it's a good idea to take partials out. If we stayed in the trade, we could have gotten out at BE. So it's better to go 10 pips than get out of BE. But a W trade though. With the 5 closing bearish, next 5 will probably wick fill, and if we break lows, we might get tapped at BE. But if we survive this and starts flipping back, so as long as we don't break the lows, we can keep going up. Should be a solid day. But that's it guys for today. I think it's safe to call it a day now. It happened very quick, and now we reject it completely. You can see the volume. This is what I'm talking about. We were not moving all day. I was like, okay, NYC is the only hope, and we did move finally, but we faked out again, right? So just 5 closes back in here, we kind of faked out again in this range, and it may just be it for the rest of the day. It may just be it, but we are fully closed on this trade, so we got 2 W's today. If you had a TP here 2170, which is what I was thinking as a max TP, really, I didn't expect to push up, but it did move. So it may range now, but I think we can call it a stream now. We can call it a day. So yeah, we got 30 pips there. So our runners got 30 pips. And before I forget, let me just update the records right now then. That'll be the 6th trade of this month. We are at 60% win rate now. You will notice the win rate was lower this month once we started, just because we had an all-time high. Just our zone fight we were playing in wasn't the best, so the orders, our analysis wasn't working its best. But now that we're trying to do some bearish moves, we're making some structure, and we should have better trades now, hopefully. And just what the market gives, it gives. And this was not a Telegram trade, so only a stream trade, this one. See, these trades just happen too quick to give them out on Telegram, which is why it's hard, because this is just based off breakouts and price action. A W. Did you get a W yesterday? Yeah, we did get a W yesterday. Same time, it's crazy. exact same time, and they were both buys. This was based on supply and demand, this was based on breakout, and we got a W. But yeah, we heavily rejected from here, and we don't know where the price goes now. So this 1 hour closure is probably gonna decide. Well, considering we tapped here, we got the top wick we wanted on the 4, right? We got on the 4. This is where we want a top wick. So now if it breaks lows, so if this 4 hour flips, breaks its lows, its next zone is this on the minimum. So there's a potential trade here. I don't think I'll be taking this or giving it out, but it's a 33 pip move there. So if this is your analysis, part of your analysis, you can always try and take it there. But great trade, guys. This is what I said, it may move very quickly, so we may not get a chance to react on this. But we managed to. But good trade. Alright. Any questions in chat? Let me know. I'm gonna call it a day in a few minutes. If anyone wants to find something out. I told you we should be able to get a trade today, even though we were not moving much earlier. I was like, okay, at some point we'll move, and we should be able to grab the move early rather than later. And yeah. So yeah, this was a new 15 by the way open. So all this bottom wick could just be 15 bottom wick. This 5 basically rejecting could just be 15 bottom wick. Once it breaks highs, it can fill the range up. But there's lots of possibilities, and especially 15 close above the range. Yeah, this is decent. 30 pips on the flip. Yeah, well, if it's part of your analysis, you can take it. But we are done. I'm done for the day. It is time to call it a session. Nobody said anything on chat. Just W's. Nice. Good W's. This W day, we wait for our setup to align. Once we get a setup, we take it. Otherwise, we just be patient for the day. But yes. Alright. Yeah, now 1 hour may hover around for a bit, try and figure out if we're closing above or no, or below. So you need to see this minimum above. I want to see this one as well, 2169, for this 1 hour to go up. But also, I want the daily to stay close bearish or close with a something like this, okay? Like about there. So about 75% of the body it is in right now. You don't want it to close very strong bullish, because then the next day can be bullish. But if it closes like a weak bullish, that means it's like doji. It can, or it's like closing like a silvery play. You can keep coming down next day, which is what I would like. And we need some bearish closures, more bearish closures. Just price. When price has structure, it's easier to trade in there. Once we have ranges. When we don't do ranges, it's just hard to predict where the price can go and stuff. Just look at how last few days wicks, wick, and this could be a wick. This is a wick now. And the point of these wicks is just stopping people out to reverse. It's just faking out people, right? It's just gonna reverse. We were bullish at this point, then we reverse. We were bearish at this point, we reverse. We were bearish, reverse, bullish, reverse. Bullish and reverse. So this is the point with problem trading these unprecedented ranges. But looks like this 5 is about to quick fill. So we may break the lows now. Yeah. Alright. That's it then. We had a good day, took a trade on stream, took a trade on Telegram. W day today. Both wins. And yeah, we can call it a day now. We don't really have to look for more trades at this point. Yeah, so I will see you guys tomorrow then. What is happening tomorrow? Tomorrow is PPI, I believe. SPTI tomorrow, so aggro day possible. So be sure you're here. Only USD news tomorrow, all news at the same time. So we probably have no trade before news, unless, I mean, in New York session we probably have no trade in New York session before news, and yeah, literally after news. So 1 minute after news we may be in a trade, or could be up to this 4-hour opening, right? This is looking good. Tomorrow should be a good day. We should I think after news we should be able to have some moves. We should be able to move a bit, and we may even have runners to attempt. But yeah guys, this will be it. I'll see you all tomorrow. Bye.